Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this episode 140 of Gardening Without Edits, I'm going to show you the most robust growing tree collard I have. I have a few varieties and this is the best growing one. The best tasting, so-so, but the best growing, number one. Let me flip it around right now. This is called the Jolly Green. Now, previously I did a video about the Big Blue right over there. You can see the difference of how much this grows. This in the winter or in the summer, spring, autumn, it doesn't matter. It just keeps growing. It doesn't stand still like the other varieties do when it gets too hot. And it produces a lot of new leaves. It does get more bug infestations, I would say, or bug bites. Sometimes it could get infested compared to other varieties that I grow. But you can see how some big, and in the winters, how big some of the leaves can get. So you can see right over here. Now this is nothing. When the winter comes, it's almost double the size right here. Now I can feel how tough this is. In the summer, these get tough, so you can't eat this fresh. I would recommend sauteing it, not fresh. It won't be good at all, in my opinion. But just a trooper. Let me do an ultra wide on this so you can see. Look how big this is. This is just one plant. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So let me know if you have any questions about this variety. Let me fix it up again. So you can see a lot more holes, and if you lift it up, you can see little white flies. They're easy to take care of though. But this variety, I think because there's so much new growth on it, it gets attacked a lot by insects. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.